I just don't understand how we can't catch fish this year.
Right?
Come on. There's one. Good one. Good one. Good one.
Easy,
Get the net.
Easy, easy.
He's probably a 3-pounder.
There we go.
There we go, baby.
Go.
I got him. I got him.
All right. Rolling through some baits. Finally produced something.
All right. I got a good hook set on him. All right, first one of the day, guys. No need for the measuring board for this bad boy. I'm gonna say he's probably 2.5, almost 3. He was in that Kissimmee grass and that little sparse stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Almost a 3-pounder, 2.69.
Excellent.
Number 1, guys, number 1. Let's get a good look at this guy. That's a nice fish right there, guys. Almost a 3-pounder, first one of the day.
Nice. Craw, eclectic blue, huh? Oh, I got one. Got one. Good one.
Looks like a smaller one.
Yeah. Pound and a half, maybe.
He looks like he might be a keeper, though. Oh. All right, you unhook him.
You can set that down. Got him.
All right, fish number 2, guys.
Bam, bam, just
Back
like
to
that.
back.
You didn't start, I don't know if you started the camera.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's over a pound. 1.19. All right, that's number 2. Looks like we found a spot. Back-to-back casts. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Matty Ice here, back with another video. We're out here today. We're fishing our next tournament. This is for the our second tournament for the ABAs. We're on Lake Lissimmee, so hopefully we can do well enough to get enough points to qualify for the nationals. We've got to finish in the top 250 teams in the nation in order to qualify. So wish us luck for that. We got a couple of fish in the boat so far. We're still trying to figure this chain out. It's been fishing really tough lately. So the spawn is we're in kind of like, I guess, mostly post-spawn stuff, but I don't think they're completely finished spawning, but we're gonna have to figure some things out in order to put a good bag together for you guys. If you like this kind of content, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button for me. Hit that like button for me. Leave me some comments down below. We're still on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you get subscribed so that way you can be entered into the Hot Seat Custom Baits giveaway. So once we hit 1,000, we'll be doing that huge giveaway for you guys. So make sure that you subscribe. And don't forget to check out today's video sponsor, which is HotSeatCustomBaits.com. If you use my code Matty at checkout, you'll save 10% off of your entire order. So make sure you use my code Matty. Checkout, save 10%. And also, if you guys are in the Tampa Bay area and you're looking for a great bass club to join, check the link down in the video description, NorthTampaBassClub.com. We're always looking for new teams to join. So hit us up. Hit me up in the comments and let me know that you guys are interested. We look forward to seeing you guys out there on the lake. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get back to it. Like I said, we've only got a couple in the boat so far. We're still trying to figure and develop a pattern out. So it's about a midday, so wish us luck.
Got one. Good one.
I saw him. I saw him.
Oh, God. Come on. All right, there we go.
Oh, there we go, baby.
208.
Dude, is he even 12?
Yeah, he's 12. Doesn't weigh nothing, but
Let me make sure. Can't afford any penalties here in this club. Yeah, he's 12. He's missing half of his tail. All right, guys. After a bunch of missed fish, we really needed this guy. We're gonna try to make it a comeback, guys.
got a fish clean.
Yeah, he ain't even a pound. He's 0.92. I don't know if he's 12. He's a little dinkster, guys.
It'll be close.
12. All right, one more, Dale. It's your turn. This will put us at about 7 pounds.
Whoop, whoop. That might get us a cup of coffee.
No, I'm sorry. It'll put us at 6 pounds. With 4 fish, because he's just a little stinker. But it's number 4. Think of the year candidate, 0.85. We're running down to the wire, guys. We only got about 10 more minutes to fish. All right, guys, well, that's a wrap on today's tournament. So sorry there's no weigh-in footage for today, and we'll cover that here in just a minute. But today's fishing wasn't really all that great. It's been a struggle for us this spring, and we've just had a tough time really figuring these fish out. And of course, towards the end of the day, we kind of figured a little flip and bite out. Got a little flip and bite afternoon deal, but too little, too late. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. We ended up bagging about 4 fish today for around 7 pounds or so. Based on the weigh-in, it probably wouldn't have mattered too much because there was 2 teams that brought in 20 plus today, so we would have finished in the bottom half of the field anyways. Dale, why don't you go ahead and tell us the bad news for today?
So we had, I think, 3 spots we were going to go to today. The first one didn't pan out at all. We were there for maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. Went to spot number 2, and I don't know, maybe 5 to 10 casts into it. We got 2 fish, bam, bam, right away. And I thought, okay, here we go. We're on fish, and it's going to start. It's going to kick off. And we fished there for probably another hour and a half or 2 hours, and never got bit. And then we went looking, found a spot, like Matty said, where we took a lot of swings. We had a lot of bites. I think each of us missed 3 or 4 fish apiece. We had enough hits from quality fish, I think, to make a double-digit bag and have a halfway decent bag out of it. But we just couldn't get them in the boat for whatever reason. So we ended up with 4 fish, and then we went to take off, and lower unit wouldn't work right. It sounded weird, kind of sounded like I spun a prop, which is easy in the grand scheme of things, but then I look behind me and there's a big river of chocolate milk, which means I blew a lower seal, I think, and all the oil in the lower unit drained out. So we had to troll back in. Took us probably a half an hour to do that, and that made us way late for weigh-in. No score for the fish that we had. I don't know how many points we're going to get, but we weren't able to get in, and we weren't able to get any points for the fish that we had. So a rough day for us today.
All right, guys. Well, that's going to go ahead and wrap up today's tournament. Again, so apologize for not being able to do weigh-ins today. That really sucked. Like Dale said, we get some points for it, but obviously it's not going to be worth a whole lot. But hopefully, as long as we fish enough of these tournaments for the ABAs, hopefully we will still be able to qualify for the Nationals. This season just seems like we just have bad luck this year for whatever reason. It just seems like things can't get any worse, but hopefully we'll be able to get the boat fixed fairly quickly. I don't know. We're going to have to wait and see. Hopefully our season's not over. Fingers crossed, but you never know what's going to happen. That's why they say BOAT, break out another 1,000, right, guys? So anyways, if you like today's video, please hit that subscribe button for me. Leave me some comments down below, and we'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.